Good morning. I'm Cynthia Cisneros, and thanks for joining us on Saturday Extra. And with us, Yuval Michler, our dear friend. It's good to see you this summer.
How are you?
I'm doing great. You know, the weather just keeps getting hotter.
Yes, it is.
Right? And my jacket is kind of in reference to just how hot it is outside, right? Which makes getting a good night's sleep all the more important.
It is. And what I'd like to talk to you today about is pain. What a mattress does to cause you pain.
Right. Your old mattress can be a pain in your you-know-what, figuratively and literally.
That's exactly right. A lot of folks never really think of their body and how it reacts to a bed. So first, there's nothing straight about anyone's body, not the front, not the side, not the back. So let's say someone sleeps on his side. When someone sleeps on their side, the first thing that's going to be on the mattress is their shoulder, and after their shoulder, immediately their hip. If you don't have the proper support, all the weight of your body is going to be on your shoulder. If you like to sleep on your tummy, for example, the cause and effect is totally different, or on your back. So a mattress causes you an enormous amount of pain. I can't tell you how many customers we've had come in and complain, especially of lower back. And all that is the lack of support on their mattresses. You
know, for the untrained mind, this is what we call the daily aches and pains. But for the trained mind, like yourself and the people at Texas Mattress Makers, this is really clue one into you need to get a new mattress. And you need to ask those very important questions at Texas Mattress Makers.
That's exactly right. And I'm of that age that I can testify that...
Aren't we all?
Right. Thank God. But the point is that you're absolutely right. There are pains that you should not experience when you get out of bed or when you're in bed, and they're caused by a lack of support. Your spine has to be aligned, irregardless of how you sleep. And if it's not aligned, it's going to put pressure on your skeletal, which means you're going to tense up somehow, and you're not going to be comfortable. And tensing up in bed, Cynthia, is like, imagine that you tense your lower back. If you could measure that in weight, let's say 5 pounds, it's like your lower back is literally holding 5 pounds all night long. And then you get up and you're very tight and you're sore, and you have to kind of stretch your way out of it. A good bed eliminates all those things. And we will show you the things that you shouldn't do in bed.
So important that you said that, because it's that kind of attention to detail that Texas Mattress Makers offers when purchasing a mattress. So many people will just walk in to a department store or anywhere else and just get the mattress that they think they like.
Correct. They'll lay on it, and usually it works very simply this way. If you have a very soft mattress, you're going to look for a very firm mattress. If you have a very firm mattress, you're going to look for a very soft mattress. It's like saying there's only 2 colors in the world, black and white. There are many colors in between. There are many types of fits in between, and those are usually the ones that fit you well. And if you sleep on a certain surface that's comfortable for you, and your husband needs another surface, we will make both surfaces in the bed to accommodate either or body types.
And we can do that by having a fantastic sale that you have ongoing. The Pocketed Coil Deluxe Mattress Set, starting at $445. That is marked down, folks, from the already low factory direct prices. TexasMattressMakers.com for more information on that. Thank you so much for being here with us, and as always, just giving us that solid education on how to get a good night's sleep. Thank you, Yuval, and thank you for joining us on Saturday Extra.
Saturday Extra is sponsored locally by Texas Mattress Makers. Everyday low price, best quality, even better sleep.